So this is actually how much I spent dropshipping this year so far. And I know it's only been 3 months, but I think 3 months right now is a good time just to show you guys exactly how it is dropshipping as a beginner, because we spend bread. So right now we're actually looking at my first ad account. On my first ad account, we actually spent over $1,600 in just basically 3 months. 3 months is not even over yet, but I already spent $1,600. So this right here is actually my second ad account that actually got banned. It got restricted basically, but because when it gets restricted, you got to make a new ad account. You got to restart from scratch. And so far alone, from only 3 months of work, I spent $600 so far. So in total alone, for 3 months of actually running ads on Facebook, I've actually spent $2,283.67. And that shit, it's a lot. But again, I'm a beginner, so obviously we gotta spend money, and that's how we learn. So if you guys are not ready to spend money like that, you guys gotta start saving up. And this is actually just my Facebook ads account. And now I'm talking about delivery fees and all that shit involved. I'm not really gonna go through it because that's a lot of fucking data, and I'm not really trying to go through it. And if you're a beginner just like me and you're actually just getting started, I actually recommend a couple of things. First of all, save up your money first before you get started, obviously, because you're gonna end up spending a lot. Because I already spent over $2,000. It's only been 3 months alone. And second of all, this is very important. You gotta listen up. Do not alleviate from your budget. Your budget is your main thing. That's the only thing you kind of got to. The third thing of all, if you don't have that much bread, you should definitely just try TikTok organic. You know, you're just making videos. All you have to do is just order the product. The product may be $20, $10, but that's all you're paying for. And you get to keep the product and you make it. I mean, the best thing I think about TikTok organic right now is that you learn what a good ad is, how to make videos and all that. And it's basically almost the same thing as making ads, but on a different scale. Like for me right now, the reason why I'm giving this, because literally I ran out my budget. As you can see from this month is the most active I've been, because I'm actually starting to lock in even more. And I've actually spent almost $1,000 in ads. So you see what I mean by don't alleviate from your budget. If your budget is not that much, you should know when to stop. The reason why I'm stopping right now at the moment is because my budget is low, and literally it's almost the end of the month. It's not even the end of the month already, and my budget is already gone. And I was trying to scale, but it didn't work out successfully. So I lost all my budget. So what I'm going to do now is, instead of not doing shit for the next finishing of the month, I'm gonna try some TikTok organic. That way I actually learn more about products, ads, and I might be able to find out if I'm actually good at TikTok organic, and I might have to just switch to organic, you know what I mean? So I'm actually gonna be starting a Discord for once, and this Discord is gonna be different from everybody else's. The main thing about this Discord is we're actually gonna be giving out sauces. I'm gonna be going live, showing my products, showing my stores, making sure everything is good so everybody can see where I'm at in my progress. So we're gonna all do the same. We're gonna have weekly calls, obviously sometimes almost every day type of calls, you know what I mean? We want to see everybody succeed. The thing that separates my Discord from everybody else's is, man, I've been in a lot of Discord so far, bro, and I noticed a lot of creators don't do this for some reason. The one thing that I'm actually gonna do that is different from everybody else is, I'm actually gonna launch stores with y'all. It could literally be 4 of us, 2 of us. We're gonna literally be running a store together where we actually bounce off ideas from each other, so we can actually learn from each other and actually share the profits. And when sharing the profits, I'm talking about we're gonna be sharing that shit down the freaking middle, 50-50. You're gonna take risk, I'm gonna take risk, and we know this because we actually dedicated to the final mission. We're gonna be rich. We're trying to be billionaires. You know what I mean, bro? We're trying to get the B's. But yo, man, if you want to be part of that special program, you gotta join my Discord, and this shit's gonna be free. I'm not gonna be charging anything, because I'm still a beginner. Y'all are beginners probably just like me, and I don't see why we cannot do this shit together. You know what I mean? But hey, if you want to join the Discord, bro, the link's going down below, bro. Yo, man, appreciate you guys for watching, man. Yeah, man, appreciate you guys for watching so much, man. Yo, help me reach 1,000 subscribers soon. You know what I mean, bro? We're almost there. Literally. We're about to be at 800, and that's actually a good feeling. I want everybody to succeed just like me. Because, yo, man, I'm dedicated, and you've seen how much bread I've spent this month alone. And I hate spending bread. That's my main thing. Everybody who knows me, they know I'm fucking cheap. But if I'm actually willing to spend $800 in a month, I want this to be, for real. You know what I mean, bro? I actually believe in this. There's a reason why I've been sticking along, spending money. Because beforehand, about a year ago, I wasn't spending shit. I was spending $20 per ad. You know what I mean? And that was the whole campaign. After $20, if I didn't see no success, I was throwing it away, moving to a different product. I gotta tell you, man, you're missing out a lot of bread because you had so many damn winners. And I looked at my data now. I had so many damn winners. I could have been at 10,000 a month. You know what I mean, bro? But I didn't realize at the time because I didn't believe it in myself, obviously, and I was not willing to spend bread. But hey, that's why we need a group of friends, people who have the same mindset as you, who can actually help you. You know what I mean, bro? But hey, man, if you want to join the Discord, bro, join down below, bro. About to get started, about to run this whole up, man. We're actually going to get successful. All of us. I'm not going to be gatekeeping, you know what I mean, bro? But hey, man, appreciate you guys, man. I'll see you guys in the next video.
They want to feel comfortable until I'm reminding you who you think that you're lying to. It's the shit that we run.
like